What if I told you there's an AI tool that doesn't just generate songs, but actually creates them in your own voice, your unique style, and exactly how you sing the lyrics? And you can choose to generate it with your voice. Listen to what we're going to do in this video.
It's not fair that I loved you so much, but never loved me back. I just want you to be with me, to be my love, to love me back.
First things first, this website is called Mureka.AI. After signing up, you'll notice how simple and clean the interface is. So let's get straight to the point. Head over to the Create page and you'll see some preset prompts for different genres. But that's not the real game changer. Switch to advanced mode and let's cook. Let's start with the lyrics. See this button? It helps you create structured lyrics, sections like intro, verse, chorus, bridge, etc. Let's start with an intro. So let's go with a simple line. Now, if I click this button, it will generate the next line. We can continue line by line or use this last button to auto-generate the entire song based on what we've written. Now, you can write whatever lyrics you want. Let's check out 4 important features that make this platform stand out. The first and most powerful feature is reference songs. Let's say I want a song like The Beach by The Neighborhood. Note that you're not copying or using the lyrics of the song, you're just using it as inspiration. You don't even need to download or upload the reference song. Just search for it on YouTube, paste the video link, select 30 seconds of the audio, give it a title, pick a genre and mood, and boom. With the reference enabled, the AI will generate a song in the same style. Now, let's get to the vocals. Unlike many AI music platforms, Mureka lets you choose from a variety of voices in its vocal library, each suited for different genres. But the coolest part? You can upload your own voice, either by uploading a file or linking a YouTube video, just like we did with the reference song. This feature lets you add custom prompts for your song, like genre, mood, and vocal gender. You can manually type these in or select from preset options, just like other AI platforms. But here's where Mureka really steps up: melody ideas. Ever wanted a specific word or line to be sung in a particular way? Not all lyrics are sung the same, right? Sometimes you want a unique melody or vocal style for a specific part of the song. With this feature, you can record yourself singing the melody and the AI will mimic your melody using a different vocal. Imagine the possibilities. This tool is still in beta, but it's already super advanced. Once everything is set, lyrics, reference song, vocals, just hit generate. And in seconds, you get 2 versions of your song. Let's take a listen.
I hate it that it's not fair that I loved you so much but never loved me back. I just want you to be with me, to be my love, to love me back. You cared so much and you felt my heart.
Sounds pretty cool, right? Now, are we done? Nope. Check this out. Click the 3 dots and you can regenerate the song, extend it, or download the stems. Stems are individual audio files, like separate tracks for drums, bass, and vocals, that you can mix in a digital audio workstation, like Fruity Loops or any editing software. And the best part? If you want to use your song commercially, you can download a commercial license right here. Just enter your name, email, and address, and it generates a PDF proving your ownership and rights to the song. The pricing is actually very reasonable. If you go for the Pro plan to unlock all the features, it costs $288 per year. With that, you can generate up to 19,200 songs, so each song comes out to just $0.015. And if you're not into subscriptions, no worries, you can just buy credits instead. It all depends on how many songs you need for your project. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.